I'll hook you up though. You know I got you. Y'all see what we doing, baby? VQs. Sheesh. Y'all see it. All right, so this is my boy's car right here. It's supercharged, and it's stick. It's stick. I don't think you guys can see that, but it's clean, man. The wrap he did himself. Everything he said he did himself. You know, got the IPL bumper and all that. Looks like a Tome. But yeah, the biggest thing about this is supercharged. He said he's pushing 480. This is what I want to actually do to my car. Like, I'm talking about the next week. You know what I'm saying? So it looks clean. Got the retrofitted headlights too. Sheesh, it's clean. And then we got this right here. It's pretty dope, man. Pretty dope turnout. Sheesh. And then show y'all the lineup really quick. Then my boy Rye's car, my boy Abraham car right here, my boy Shamari. And then we got a whole bunch of other Z's, stuff like that. My boy Jacob car right here, clean. So yeah, pretty clean. This is his right here. Look at that boy. Sheesh, dripping, boy. Dripping. Then we got a whole bunch of other VQs pulling up. We got a turbo Q50 right here, pretty clean. It's clean right there, boy. Turbo. Another turbo Q50 right there. It's clean. Right there. Sheesh. Damn. Boy. Look at that. Then we got the Nismo. Sheesh. All the way from Texas. Look at that. And then we got the ETR. Looks like a 2013, I believe. I'll tell you guys, I'm pulling the trigger on this soon. I got turbo that one first, then I'm pulling the trigger on this right here. I promise you. I think it's a G35. Bag, pretty clean. Yeah, classic. That's clean right there. That's clean. Dang, look at him, all fresh out. Looks good. I didn't. Oh, dude, no, I'm fat now. Oh. I'm fat. Don't even. Hey, guys. How you doing? Good, good. So there you go. You got another Subi, so he's not alone. Alright, so let's go ahead and check out the supercars real quick. Show love to the supercar. We got the 650S. It looks just like my cousin's car, actually. Then we got the Ventador Roadster. 720. See, that's clean. 720. Ferrari. Is that, yeah, you see that? Yeah. Auto Talents, I'm telling you, wait till we start selling the supercar. Sheesh. I know, right? That's funny. Yeah, it looks just like our, what's the name's car? Clean. Sheesh. Yeah. Alright, so this is the first Pandem C8. It's actually a lot crazier in person. I remember seeing it in pictures and stuff like that, but in person, it's definitely a lot cleaner. Crazy. Insane. Check it out. Sheesh. It's literally aired out. That's how you call it. Truly aired out. To the ground. Carbon fiber right there. Oh my goodness. Sheesh. That's definitely gold. Definitely gold. Bro, see, this is something I need on a G. This color right here. You got know any powder coating shops? Hit me up. Imagine put that on the G. That'd be like clean. That's a good motto to live by, you guys. See. Damn, so we got GTR heaven over here.
All right, Corey?
Yeah. Yeah, it is. Yeah. Right hand drive. Oh. Yeah. Oh my goodness, that carbon fiber hood. Ooh, look at the beige seats. Okay. I actually like it. Same thing. Got the Evans right here. Big old wing. Big old wing. Very wide. Pretty clean. And look at this. Fighter jet tips right there. So I actually had a 370Z that was bagged. Kind of like earlier this year. That had that same exact paint color. It's pretty clean. Pretty clean. 2017, 2018. So if you guys don't know the difference, this is the front end for 2017, 2018. And then here is the DBA. So technically it's called a CBA and a DBA. People say that's a made up term. I use it. So this is a CBA front end and that's a DBA front end, if you can tell. So pretty clean though. And then look at this one, boy. That purple is insane. What if I wrap the IPL this color? Dang, wide body livery lock kit. Got the red seats like my IPL. Damn, boy, look at that wing though. That shit is so clean. That is so clean. This is legit gold right here. That's so clean. Yeah, I found Nick. Finding Nick's G30 R35. Clean. Looks good in person. Dang, super clean. Looks good in person, dog. You got the carbon fiber steering wheel right there. Dang, that paint is clean. Man, that's clean.
Oh man, then you guys can't be the catcher, bro.
I feel you on that.
I want to see it again.
Right? Dang, boy. TJZ. That's nice. I'm an RB boy for life, though, but... Alright, what do you guys think about this Q60? Pretty clean, right? Jeez. You guys like the wing or no wing? Sheesh. Oh, Red Sport. Yeah. So if you guys don't know, it's a Red Sport because it has the red calipers and it has a red S. So if it has the silver S, it's the Silver Sport. If you guys didn't know that. But yeah, it's clean. I like it. I like it. Super clean. Cars over here. Super clean. Nice. Got the CBA. So this is CBA, DBA. That's a DBA as well. Clean though. This actually looks like the one I was gonna buy. That was out in Arizona, but I got outbidded by like $1,500. Yeah, it's good. I like it. I like it. Man, I love GTRs. I can't get enough of them. Like, it's just only right. Going from my IPL to R35, like it's only white. Yo, check this out. So this is the color I actually was gonna wrap my G. Yeah, GTRs right here. So these are the CBAs. You can tell has the newer front end. This is DBA, CBA, and that's the CBA. I'm telling you. Sheesh. It's coming soon. I promise you guys. It's coming soon. Yeah, see, that's it. RB26, badass turbo. Probably tire pushing like 800.
5 or 35. So much power.
That is clean right there.
Tons of boost on it.
Look at that. I love when you're an RB owner and you powder coat a candy red. Super clean, makes everything look so freaking dynamic. And we even got a titanium freaking hood prompt right here. Like the detail, the attention to detail on this thing is so clean. So clean. So this is a full carbon VCR. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, this is by far the craziest Jeep, I would say. Like, it's just crazy JDM cars you see. It's insane. See, this is why you live in Cali. This is why you want to live in Cali, just for the crazy cars, you know what I'm saying? I don't even know what it is, I'm gonna be honest with you. You just look at everyone else is looking at it. Ryan over here had a flex on us. Damn. I have my ashy engine cover all over. But yeah. So.
That's right. I got a oil cooler. The line's got a little leak in it.
Y'all check out this supercharger, bro. Look at that. Look at the blow off valve. Yeah, my boy Supercharged G. It's clean in here too. The interior's clean. Forest carpet. I stopped recording. Oh, hold on, bruh. Oh, hold on. Alright, let me get my finger away from Oh yeah, I need to be supercharged. Yeah, I need to be supercharged. Oh. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for the video. Man, it was a really dope day. Group of people that, you know, share the same passion for the same type of car you have, you know. They're VQ owners, and you just see their builds, you know, the same, you know, common love for these Infinitis and Nissans, you know what I mean? So, but that's gonna go ahead and do it for the video. You guys go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.